Here's just a few video clips of my recent visit to the American Association of Woodturners Symposium at Portland, where I was able to demonstrate. Okay, here we are at the registration area where the registrants come in. Volunteer check-in area. Table where you can buy smocks and t-shirts and other AAW memorabilia. It's Thursday and things are not open yet, but so I'll just, not a lot of people around, so I'll just kind of show you. This is one of the artists' galleries, and then over here we have all the tables for instant gallery being displayed, and the volunteers here signing people's work in, including Elizabeth Ross, the Two Treat Boys. Well, I'll catch her later. Also from the Atlanta area.
I want to share with you perhaps my most memorable moment at the symposium. I was speaking with Elizabeth Ross, owner of Two Tree Boys. She runs a family-operated business in Beaufort, Georgia, providing beautiful hardwood turning blanks to clients all over the U.S. I originally had a 2-hour hands-on class with her 13-year-old son, Alex, back in Georgia. Alex was attending the symposium with his mom, and it turns out he won a Youth Merit Award ribbon with the twig pot he made in a hands-on session with me. This may be the closest I'll ever get to winning a ribbon, but I'm okay with that. I only took just a very few pictures in the instant gallery. I apologize for that, but these are some that kind of caught my eye because they were of specific interest to me. How to display eggs and an emerging box. I attended a rotation on the emerging box.
Okay, so this is Cynthia Gibson, who does these beautiful dolls. We'll show you just a minute with her beautiful pyrography. And here's a piece that she's working on with this very fine texture. And I think almost all of this is Bradford pear, right?
Actually, this is Pacific Madrone.
Okay, Pacific Madrone.
And the little dolls are turned by Woodturner Dale Larson, who lives here in Oregon.
I'm not sure how much the sound is coming through with the background noise, so we'll just ease over to look at some of these beautiful finished pieces. And then let's do a close-up. Okay, here's 3 pieces by David Williams, who was my videographer for a couple of sessions. Beautiful work. Okay, here we are at the banquet on Saturday night. Okay, you meet all kinds of people from all different places. Here's Alan Stratton of As the Wood Turns. Had a chance to spend a few minutes chatting with Alan.
I was just too busy to take too many selfies, but here's one of me and Kurt Herzog. Kurt was very instrumental in getting me to demonstrate at Portland. Picture of Gord Rock, who's got his own channel, Gord Rock, and here's a picture of me with Amelia Ano Escoval from Maui, Hawaii. He and I hung out a good bit with Alan Zenrich and Lauren in the Lucid Woodturners booth.
Here's Alan Zenrich's Lucid Woodturners booth for promoting remote demonstrations. He and his wife Lauren, I'm helping them break down and pack up at the end of the symposium.